Ever wondered how plants magically turn sunlight into food? Let's explore. Okay, so in a tiny world filled with chlorophyll and sunlight, plants become nature's little green factories. Deep inside their leaves, a miraculous process called photosynthesis occurs, which starts when sunlight tickles the leaf's surface. This light is essential for plants, acting like a signal to power up their internal energy systems. Like miniature solar panels, leaves capture this sunlight energy, beginning an incredible transformation. But how do they convert light into life-sustaining nourishment? Here's where it gets fascinating. As sunlight beams down and dances on the leaf surface, the plant absorbs it with gusto. At the same time, the tiny breathing pores on leaves, known as stomata, open to let in carbon dioxide from the air. This isn't just any ordinary air intake, it's the raw material in the photosynthesis recipe. Inside each leaf, there's a bustling factory-like setup. The captured sunlight energizes cells into activating chloroplasts, which are the brain behind the operation. These chloroplasts use their powerful machinery to jumble together carbon dioxide and water. The result? A delightful dish called glucose, the hearty breakfast, lunch, and dinner of plants. This all happens alongside the release of oxygen, a side product that they generously gift to our world, fueling the air we breathe. Now, what makes this truly intriguing is how different plants navigate this process under varied conditions. In an indoor greenhouse setup, you notice how different species adapt to distinct sunlight and carbon dioxide levels. A shade-loving fern will maximize what little light it receives, stretching those chlorophyll-rich cells to make every photon count. Meanwhile, your sunbathing succulents bask in the full blaze, optimizing their thick leaves to store precious resources for drier times. Some crafty plants even adjust when their stomata open, regulating water use down to a precise science. But here's the kicker. You'd think plants are just quietly sitting there doing nothing, but in reality, they're masterminding this epic transformation all day long. Just think about it. Each plant, no matter how big or small, has a unique skill set to thrive, constantly working behind the scenes. Feel that shockwave of awe yet? Nature's engineering marvels in action, quietly but powerfully shaping life on Earth.